In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to click on apps. Then select app lock, click on turn on, and select change password to pick one of those login methods for your apps. Just click on the chosen one and create it. Now repeat it to confirm it. And hit next at the bottom right corner. Following that, you can sign in and add your Xiaomi account, or hit not now and confirm your choice after 5 seconds in the pop-up. Now to lock all of those apps, click on use app lock right away. If you don't want to do that though, you need to click on all of them. Check 0 here and click on use app lock then. Now to enable your fingerprint to unlock your apps, click on settings in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions. You can also hit cancel and do it later. Finally, to lock your apps, use gray switchers next to the chosen ones. So when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I can see that my pattern is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your lock screen password, and use no blue switchers next to your apps. Finally, if you want to get rid of app lock completely, use this gear at the top right corner and tap on blue switcher next to app lock feature. Then hit OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!